Sawadee. Hello everyone, my name is Tonkla. I'm 14 years old and I'm studying science with teacher Judith. Today I'm going to do the experiment called walking water. And what is walking water? Walking water demonstrates capillary where water transpiration against the gravity to another narrow space. And subside that we have to do the experiment today is first of all a napkin, second ordinary tapping water, third one a cup of water, and the last one a watercolor food color. So now this is step 1, a full cup of water and watercolor. So first step, you pour water in a cup to make it full and then pour watercolor in the water. I'm going to pour to watercolor to make it colorful. And then just wait until it's mixed. Step 2, after we mixing color, I'm not sure it's a colorful color right now, but step 2, put the 6 cups of water in line like this. And step 3, put the paper across between cups. So I'm gonna demonstrate you how to roll the paper. Firstly, roll it in a half like this, and roll in a half again like this, and now roll it again like this. After I finish, I'm going to put it between the cups like this. Like this. And step 4, just wait. Wait until the water travels from this cup into this cup. After many days, this is the result. After day, this cup of water was low, so I pour the water up to make the water transpiration from this to this and this to this. But after wait for like 1 week, it stopped in this bottle of water. So I think it's not going to go further now. But this experiment is look like the transpiration in the water called transpiration pool. This is the main force used to plant to transport water, especially in the tall plant. Transpiration in leaf create a force that attract water in the xylem to flow outward to replace the water. This is all. Thank you. สวัสดีครับ